Welcome to Summarize Science. Today we are looking at a breakthrough in how robots learn to interact with the world called LaST-R1. Most robots today act like simple reflex machines, reacting to what they see without really thinking about the physics of what happens next. This paper introduces a way for robots to use a digital imagination to predict future states before they even move an arm. The core idea is to let the robot rehearse the physical movement in its mind using abstract concepts instead of slow, human words. In the past, robots that tried to think using text-based reasoning were often too slow to be useful in the real world. The researchers developed a method that uses latent tokens, which are like high-speed snapshots of potential futures. By using a powerful vision model called DNOV3, the robot can identify the most important parts of a scene to focus its mental effort on. This allows the AI to visualize how an object like a bag zipper or a bottle cap should move before it actually touches it. A major part of this work is a new learning method called LaPo, or latent-to-action policy optimization. Usually, robots only practice their physical movements during training, but LaPo allows the robot to practice its internal thought process too. Through trial and error, the robot learns which thoughts lead to successful actions and which ones lead to mistakes. This feedback loop strengthens the robot's understanding of the physical world over time. The system also features adaptive reasoning, which is a way for the robot to manage its own brain power. Just like a human, the robot decides how much it needs to think based on how difficult the task is. For simple tasks like moving an arm through empty space, the robot acts quickly with very little internal deliberation. But for complex maneuvers, such as navigating a cluttered drawer, it can choose to spend more time planning its next moves. The results of this approach are quite startling. In simulation tests, LaST-R1 achieved a nearly perfect 99.8% success rate across a variety of manipulation tasks. Even when placed in the real world, the robot showed a 44% improvement in performance compared to traditional training methods. It successfully completed tasks like wiping a vase with a sponge and opening zippers on bags. The study also tested how well the robot handles changes it hasn't seen before, like new lighting or different backgrounds. Because it understands the underlying physics, it was able to adapt to these changes without getting confused. Visualizations show that as the robot trains, it learns to focus its eyes more precisely on the specific targets it needs to hit. This precision is what allows it to handle delicate items without failing or knocking things over. To recap, LaST-R1 proves that giving robots a way to rehearse the future makes them much more capable. By bridging the gap between thinking and acting, this model moves us closer to truly intelligent machines. In the future, this could lead to more reliable robotic assistants that can help us with chores and complex manufacturing tasks. It is a fascinating look at how AI is learning to grasp the physical rules of our world. Thank you for watching Summarize Science.